Hello guys, so welcome to my channel Pink Coder. So today we are drawing a pattern that is square. So let's start. First we will create a file pattern1 Java. So we are printing this pattern, right? This is the pattern we are printing from Java. So let's start. First create a class. So we have to firstly set the limit. So what will be the limit? It may be n and m. So we can define it by our own, or anybody can put that limit. So we have set the limit. So what we will gonna do? We will use two loops. First will traverse the rows. Second will traverse the column. So what is row? That is this and this. So who will be take responsibility to traverse the rows? That is I, as we will use the first loop, so it will be iterate these rows. And who will going to iterate the columns? The J pattern, the inner nested for loop. So we have to use two loops to draw this pattern. Okay, so we have to put this like if I am using the outer for loop, so I will be like these rows and J will be the column. So J will take the initiative to print that column. So let's start. For int I is equals to 1, so we are starting from the 1 and going to the limit, so greater than equal to n. We have put an equal to also, so it will print 5 times. If we will not put the equal to operator, then it will print only for 4 times. So for int j is equals to 1, j greater than the limit we have set, and j plus plus. So what it is doing? It is nesting the loop. So we have put in the for loop, so it will traverse the row 5 times for the limit, and inner for loop, that is j. So what j will do? It will simply print that thing. So it will take the responsibility to print that stars. So we have to put that stars here. We will print it here. So star, we will not use the println method because we are not using it the next line, because when we will use the println, it will give the control to the next line, but we don't want it because we want to print that pattern into same line. So we will just use print method. When we will have to give control to the next line? When we are ending the inner for loop. So when we have when we have completed the first loop, then we have to print the next line. So where we will do it? After the inner for loop. So this is our inner for loop system print ln method. So what it will simply do? Give control to the next line. So understood what it does? The first for loop will traverse the rows, second for loop will traverse the column. So we just print the star inside our inner loop, so it will print in the column. So just run this program. How to run it? So it has just give the output. I have not created the JavaC file. You can create if you want to. So this is the output it have printed as expected. We can simply print the numbers here also. So how we can do it? We can simply put, if you want the pattern to go like this, for example, if I am saying that I want the pattern to be like this, 1 1 1 2 2 2, है ना, 2 2 2, this. So we have to print the I, because is what it will do, the I will be 1, then when we I will increase the value, so it will be 2, then it will be 3, and it will be 4, and so on. So we can simply print the I in one space. So if we will print the I, then what will happen? It will print 1 1 2 2 2 2 pattern like this. Okay, so let's run it. So as expected, it run and give the output 1 1 1 2 2 2 and so on. So if I want a pattern like this, like for example 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 again and so on, so how we'll gonna do it? We will print the value of j because it is traversing the column, so we can simply put j here to print different pattern. So it is so easy. See, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. So we have created three patterns from the same code. So it is that simple. Okay, got it? If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel.